A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Tag Force YC-336DC folding knife. As you can tell, it is ACU digital camo. It's the rounded version, so the handle is kind of round. It has a very nice grip, a very nice pocket clip, very strong. Comes with a glass breaker and a seatbelt cutter. This knife is made out of 440 stainless steel. Very good knife. It's very sharp too, so you better watch out. I think the only disadvantage on this knife is this safety loop. It gets in the way of the lever. It's kind of annoying. It's pretty fast. Took me 7 days to get it in. I got it off Amazon from Unlimited Wares Inc. Incorporated for $8, free shipping, no tax. It's the Speedster model. It's pretty fast once you get it broken in. So that's my review, and thank you. Please subscribe.
Do you?